Yeah, just to extend on that, in terms of challenges that that one has to overcome, combining basically these two worlds, DVB and the OTT stack. One of the points, and I'm going to talk a little bit more in detail about that later, is basically that jump point. So going from a live stream into basically a catch-up stream, into a more or less a recording of that. That can be an ongoing live stream, but you're basically switching data sources. So going from DVB into OTT brings potentially a lot of challenges. So there's the jump itself. There might be buffering issues. There's startup time and latency that needs to be sort of tackled with properly. There's the UI, the UX transition itself that hopefully can be implemented in a seamless way, but that in itself brings some challenges. And all of that makes sort of that jump point a little bit tricky to deal with. And the other thing that is a challenge to deal with, depending on what the goal is advertisement, because we're going to talk about benefits in just a second, and sort of that leads the way there. On the one hand, dealing with advertisements in transitioning from broadcast into OTT can be a challenge, but at the same time, it can also be a huge benefit, because you enter a world where you can now do targeted advertisement and user-specific advertisement, which is something that is typically very difficult to do with DVB streams, with live streams of that sort.